Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new tutorial. My name is Robert Audu. I just noticed that I never say my name in the intro of any video. I'm very sorry for that. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to create this cool zoom effect on Premiere Pro. I learned this from another YouTuber who does tutorials. His name is Daniel Shifa. He did it for Final Cut users. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to do it on Premiere Pro with a little difference to it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, make sure Premiere Pro is opened. I have my clip on the timeline. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is to go to the effects control panel here. I'm just going to use a stagnant shot, so I'm just going to animate it a bit to have some type of movement with the frames. Okay, so we've animated this first clip, scaled it up a bit so it looks less stagnant. So what we're going to do is to go to the end of the video clip here, right here, and count 3 frames backwards. Just hold your left cursor key, click it 3 times, and you have 3 frames. Once you've done that, go back to our effects control panel, add a keyframe about here, then another keyframe here, then increase the scale. Okay, so basically you're going to add keyframes at the beginning and the end of the clip here. So the first keyframe here is going to be starting at a lower value, that's 128. Then if you check out the last keyframe, is about 180. Let's scale it up a little bit more. Also, I want to animate the position of this, so I'm going to go here and add a keyframe on my positions here. And a keyframe here. The tight frame, so probably yeah, just the position, and you see, yeah. So once you've done that, you have this effects. So we're going to incorporate more clips into the timeline. Let's see. So basically you're just going to add more random clips to your timeline, but animate them in the same way, so you can have the zoom effect. Just kill each of them. So we're going to go to our next clip and count 3 frames. 1, 2, 3, and chop it down. So we got 3 frames there. So you can just go to your effects control panel on this clip, highlight this clip, go to your effects control panel, go to motions, copy the effects and paste it on the next clip instead of doing everything over again. But here I do not want to animate the position, so I'm going to toggle that keyframe off. Okay. So guys, I have all the clip I need on my timeline and I've chopped them down to 3 frames. So what I'm going to do now is simply to highlight each of them and paste the effects we created initially for this and this. So basically we're just going to go to effects control with this clip highlighted, just paste it here, paste it. For some reason, I do not know why Premiere doesn't allow you paste effects at once. I do not know, man. But then, can't do nothing about it. So, just paste it one by one. It's probably a way. If there is, you can let me know in the comment section. If there's none, well, we continue using it like that. So guys, we're going to play it back and see the effects. Yeah, so that's it. So basically what's left is sound design, which I'm not going to go into. I'm just going to paste what I've done initially on here. I'll probably do a tutorial on how to do sound design. That's all for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching to the end, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.